Hi, Mia. Mia. Hi, Minnie. Oh, Daju. Hi, Daju. Do you want to go show everybody what you did? Hey, Daju. Yeah, you want to go back in there because you know what you did. Come on. Come show everybody what you did. Come on, let's take a walk. Let's show everybody. Come on. Oh, okay. Go for the grape. That's fabulous. Come on, Daju. Let's go show everybody. Yeah. Oh, you want to take us there? Daju is going to show us a little project she's been working on. You want to show us the little project you're working on? Trying renovating the yard? Here we go, our beautiful bushes. And what do we have here? Oh yes, that's a hole. Hey Daju, what is that? Yeah, that's a hole. That's not just a hole. It's a cave that goes all the way under the bricks to the middle of the patch of flowers. Yeah. She built herself a den. Daju. Daju. Oh, right. Daju, did you do that? You're not paying attention. Stupid dog. Did you just eat that fly? Daju! Unbelievable. Yep. Unbelievable.